Hi guys, welcome to my channel The Tech Geek. This video is part of the series on tips and tricks. Many people ask me how do I remember a long list of passwords. Well, this is the key security question nowadays, which is related to another question, that is how to make a complex password and then remember it. In this video you will get answers for both questions. Let's get started. Many people make passwords related to their life which later on become hackable. Normally people tends to base their passwords on birthday, name of loved one, wedding anniversary, or a sentence they say all the time. Hackers identify such information very easily and then get into their account. To my surprise, few people use their or their child's birth date for PIN of their credit cards. These are very easy to hack, resulting in data loss. You may have seen password generators while making an account on some websites. However, these gives you passwords something like AGE34 exclamation COB add right parenthesis G. This is a complex password, but you cannot remember it as it is really hard to remember. To make easy passwords similar to previous one, you just need a sentence you can easily remember. For example, I engaged to Jane Hack Ostwald for 19 years. Now take first or second letter of the sentence to make the complex password, such as IEJH Ost 19 years. This looks a good password, but to make it even more strong, use some letter in uppercase. Using few uppercases in previous password gives us a strong password like this. This is a very good complex password, but in my opinion, hackers are still able to see through it. Therefore, to make it more strong, replace few letters with resembling numbers like this. You can consider 1 for L or I, or 3 for E, 4 for H, etc. for your reference. Now, it would take a professional hacker to figure out what your password is, and doing so is going to cost a lot of time. But we want hackers to lose interest in your password. To do that, add complex characters like @ #, in password. So in our case, replacing certain characters with symbols will become extreme complex like this. Now, this is a really complex password and hard to crack, but password creator can remember it easily because he is engaged to Jane Hack Ostwald for 19 years in reality. This is how complex password can be maintained, or you can have multiple passwords and then easily remember them. Still, it's always a better idea to keep log of your passwords. You can write full sentences in a book, but only you can know where you put numbers or symbols. Pro tip on complex password is that a really complex password has numbers, characters, small caps, uppercase, and something that password creator can remember it without hassle. In this video, we learned how to convert a simple password into strong and even complex password, making it extra harder to crack by hackers. Would appreciate your feedback in the comment section. If you like the content, please share it with your friends to protect them as well from the hackers. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube and like my page on Facebook. Thank you for the time.